today I am going to talk about Venus. So first I want to give my gratitude to all my viewers who have encouraged me. Actually Venus is an auspicious planet. Venus is the planet for luxury and material pleasure, and it plays an important role in our life. So let's discuss how to know whether Venus is malefic or it is weak in our horoscope. But without checking our horoscope, we can know about this on the basis of some life events or some symptoms. If you want to get the happiness from house or from vehicle or from any pleasurable thing or want to lead luxurious life, if you are facing problem to get material pleasure, if you are facing any problem in your love life or you are not getting married, if you are married and you are not leading a happy married life, that means your married life is unhappy. If you are in the business of beautician or cosmetics business, if you are in the entertainment business or in a creative field, in any artistic field, if you play any musical instrument for a living and want to get name and fame in the field, if you have sexual diseases, if infertility issues and diseases related to ENT or tonsil, if you have gastrointestinal issues, if you face continuous monetary loss, then you have to please Venus by wearing gemstone or by chanting his Tantrukta Bees mantra or by worshipping God. Astrologically, you should check your birth chart and consider the position of Venus. If Venus is conjunct with Rahu or Ketu, or if Venus is in its debilitated point or Rashi, or if Venus is in enemy house, or if Venus is inauspicious for you, then you should strengthen your Venus. There are many types of remedies. You have to donate if you want, then you can chant mantras also. So let's discuss elaborately. If you want to give donation to a Brahmin, then you have to donate rice grain 1 kg, ghee or butter that is 500 gram, curd or dahi that is 500 gram, milk half liter, any silver ornament weighing 100 gram, white cloth 2.5 meter, sugar 1 kg, 1 pomegranate and 1 apple. You can recite Sri Shuktam and Lakshmi Ashtakam written by Indra. You can recite Chinta Nivarak Lakshmi Stotram. You can gift a married woman white silk sari with print, different type colors of print, rice and silver ornament. You should respect females. If you have continuous monetary loss, then recite Kanak Dhara Stotram daily. It will take effect, it will give effect very soon. If you are a female, your marriage is getting delayed, then chant Katyani mantra daily. To please Venus, the best remedy is to recite the 11th chapter written in Durga Saptashati. You can chant Tantrokta Vij mantra of Venus also. The mantra is Om Dram Dream Drom Shah Shukraya Namaha. Om Dram Dream Drom Shah Shukraya Namaha. Om Dram Dream Drom Shah Shukraya Namaha. You can recite Shukra Gayatri mantra also, that is Om Bhrugujaya Vidmahe Shuklam Varadhara Dhimahi Tanno Shukrah Prachodaya. Om Bhrugujaya Vidmahe Shuklam Varadhara Dhimahi Tanno Shukrah Prachodaya. Om Bhrugujaya Vidmahe Shuklam Varadhara Dhimahi Tanno Shukrah Prachodaya. You have to chant this mantra for 108 times daily. You can do Vrat of Vaibhav Lakshmi also. If you want to wear tabiz, then you can wear tabiz made of silver by the root of Sarponka with white thread. So these are the remedies for Venus. I hope if you have any problem, any symptoms, what I have discussed today, then you should take the remedies according to your convenience. So I think you like this video. Namaskar.